we're to use the quadratic formula to solve this equation. In order to do that, we need to make sure that it's set equal to 0. So I'm going to add 8x to both sides. I'll have 2x squared plus 8x plus 5 equals 0. I can now list what my a, b, and c values are. A is 2, it's a coefficient of the squared term. B is 8, coefficient of the x term, and c is the constant value. We're solving for x, so the quadratic formula would be x equals the opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times ac, all divided by 2a. Now substituting in the values that I found, I'll have the opposite of b, which is going to be negative 8, plus or minus b squared. So 8 squared minus 4 times a, which is 2, times c, which is 5. That will be all over 2 times a, and a is 2. Continuing to simplify, we'll have negative 8 plus or minus, now 8 squared is 64, 4 times 2 is 8, times 5 is 40. 2 times 2 is 4. Continuing to simplify, negative 8 plus or minus 64 minus 40 is in fact 24. That will be over 4. I can simplify the radical. 24 is 4 times 6. So we do have a perfect square in 24. So the square root of 24 reduces to 2 times the square root of 6. Now that's all going to be over 4. I notice that each of these terms has a common factor of 2. So the next step, I am going to reduce that just a bit. I'm going to factor a 2 from the numerator. And so I'll have negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 6 all over 4. Now that will give us then x equal to, the 2 cancels out of both the 2 and the 4, so we have a 2 left. We'll have negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 6 divided by 2. I can write my final answer then as x equals negative 4 plus square root of 6 divided by 2, or x equals negative 4 minus the square root of 6 over 2.